Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you guys how to make your Wix header responsive. For that, what you need to do is go to wix.com, click on wix.com, and when you click on that, you see there's a home page or a dashboard that appears on your screen. What you need to do is go there, log in or sign up using a suitable password, and you are going to create a new site for that. So let's just go to create new site. I'm going to click on this. You can also use the already created site if you already have one by going to the select and edit side. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys that how to start this from the scratch by creating a new site too. So here, this is the dashboard. Just go to your design site. Now what you're going to do is this is how it's going to appear on your screen. What I like the most about Wix is that no matter how much time it takes to prepare the site and analyze the data or edit some different elements, but still, what I like about it is that all the features are secured and it prepares it wholly for the users. So this is basically the header and we can make it responsive. Responsive means that even if we change the site, it adjusts its size. Go to create new site if you already don't have one. And after going to create new site, you are going to start chat or set up without chat. I am going to click on set up without chat. Here, what type of website do you want to create? You can choose any one of these. I am simply going to skip this step. You can choose anything. I have already shown so many times how to create a new website because it is only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to create it. Just enter the name of your site that, let's just say CEO or SEO site. Continue. Then you're going to select the goals, select products, share knowledge, or just explore. I'm going to continue. You can go select the apps that you want. Let's just say I want to add to the bookings too. So I'm simply going to go and click on this one. We're going to go continue and continue to the dashboard. Now you see your design site is ready. All you need to do is select a template or select a design of your own by creating it. So I'm going to go to the design site and choose a template or generate a design with AI. I'm going to pick a template because, as I've told you guys a million times before, that Wix offers hundreds of and thousands of different templates. Let's just choose this one. I'm going to click on edit, and this is how it's going to appear on your screen. Might take a while. And then what you're going to do is wait so that Wix can prepare your site and give you so many options to give magical look to your website. Here, you see there's a big header here. What I can do is go here and wait for Wix to add the Wix bookings. It might just take a while. Command Wix. It also depends upon your internet connection too. I mean, this is very obvious. I think, yeah. So you are going to wait for a while so that Wix can settle up things for you. And here, it's completely done. I'm just going to cancel this one. You see, there's a big header. I am going to change this. Let's just get rid of this by zooming it in and getting rid of this train of thoughts. Completely delete this one. And you can go to your add elements to add your logo on your header. I'm going to go here, going to the text, add a heading, and you can also just Let me just delete it and do it again, because should I select this size? Okay, just go to the text, go to the add headings. Then what you're going to do is go to your edit text to get rid of this. Here you can edit the name of your logo. As I said, SEO sites, I am going to write it over here, and you can adjust the size. So this is basically the header. Now, if you change the screen, or you move from if you move from 50 to 100, or you switch to your mobile, the Wix has the quality to have the responsive headers of its own. You don't have to do anything. It is going to adjust the size of the headers according to the screen type. For instance, if you are viewing your website on the mobiles, this is how it's going to appear. It is not going to crop out any content here. You see, every content is visible. There is no cropping out, and it means that there is an innate quality in Wix to create a responsive header. Now, even if you go to the PC, or you go to your monitor, or if you have a small screen mobile, you can also adjust these features, like fixing it on the screen, scroll it up with the side, or you can also click on fade out. All these features are available. You can use any one of them. But no matter which feature you use, this Wix also is going to fix, or it is going to adjust or make the header responsive according to your screen size. So, summing up and getting to the conclusion that you don't have to do anything in order to create a responsive header. You're just going to create a template, and you're going to create a logo, and in this way you're going to add extra elements, and the responsive template is going to be created with a header. Thank you so much, guys. See you guys.